Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for tune the latest update. Which of the following pressure is all-sided pressure act upon a rock due to the mass of super incumbent material? आंसर है इसका ऑल ऑफ दी अबव. लिथोस्टैटिक प्रेशर लगता है, कन्फाइनिंग प्रेशर और हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर ये सब यूज होता है. When two equal forces act in opposite direction in the same plane but not along the same line, it is called couple. Third question, Hooke's law is applicable below the elastic limit. Answer है ductile substance have. Answer B, large interval between elastic limit and rupture. Fifth question, the stress which any material is able to withstand regardless of time under given physical condition without rupturing or deforming continuously is known as fundamental strength. Answer है इसका. Sixth question, increase in confining pressure dash of the rock. इसका आंसर है increase the elastic limit and ultimate strength. Seventh question, which of the following attitudes of the strata indicate vertical strata? इसका आंसर डी है. Joints are formed as a consequence of dash. Answer tensional. Ninth question, the dip of a stratum is the angle between the bedding plane and the. Answer है इसका horizontal plane. 10th question, true dip measured. Answer A, in a vertical plane that strike at right angle to the strike of the bedding. 11th question, the amount of dip is maximum in a direction at dash angle to the strike of the bedding plane. Answer 90 degree. 12th question, the true dip direction of a bed is 15 degree west of north. The strike direction of that will. Answer है इसका 75 degree east of north. Next question, the line of intersection of the axial plane with the bedding plane of the fold is called. इसका आंसर बोथ ए बी, स्ट्राइक ऑफ द फोल्ड भी है और एक्सिस ऑफ द फोल्ड, ये इसके आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द एक्सियल प्लेन आर ऑलवेज वर्टिकल, इंक्लाइंड, हॉरिजॉन्टल, एनी ऑफ द अबव. आंसर है इसका एनी ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the term used for ridges of a fold has have become obsolete now? Limbs, flank, legs, shank, both C and D. तो इसका आंसर है both C and D, legs and shank. Next question, if the axial plane of a fold is inclined and both the limbs dip in the same direction, usually at different angles, it is termed as asymmetrical fold, overturned fold, recumbent fold, isoclinear fold. तो आंसर है इसका overturned fold. Next question, 17, the strata that dip in one direction at uniform angle, the fold is called monoclinic, homocline, open structural terrace. तो इसका आंसर homocline. Next question, the fold in which the deformation has been sufficiently intense to cause flowage of more mobile belts so that the beds get thinner at the limbs and thicker at the crest and through are called tight fold. So इसका आंसर है tight folds. Next question, The fold in which the strata are thinnest on the crest and thickest on the through of the anticline and syncline respectively and are developed during the sedimentation process are called. इसका आंसर है supratenuous fold. Tenuous fold. Supratenuous fold. Next question. The time required for deformation by viscous fluid to become more than 1000 times the elastic deformation is known as रेडिटी. इसका आंसर है सी, रेडिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चूज द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बॉडीज इन द कॉम्पिटेंट लेयर ऑफ द रॉक्स हैविंग कॉम्पिटेंस डिफरेंस. तो इसका एग्जांपल आंसर है पिंच एंड स्वेल स्ट्रक्चर, नेकिंग का और रप्चर बुडिन्स का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Only pinch and swell structure are developed without separation of buddings if it the competence difference is. Answer A, very slightly marked. Next question. Which of the following is surface force? Answer A, stress. This shearing stress is by. Answer tau B. Next question. Which of the following is not a criterion for homogeneous strain of a distorted body? Answer A, all the angles remain same after deformation. Next question. If the fold closes downward, it is known as synform. तो इसका आंसर है synform. Next question. Attitude of beds is defined by its. इसका आंसर है आंसर बी, डिप एंड स्ट्राइक्स. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग द एक्सियल प्लेन इज हॉरिजेंटल. आंसर है इसका रिकम्बेंट फोर्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. प्लेन ऑफ सम स्ट्रक्चर फीचर्स आर गिवन बिलो. चूज द करेक्ट मैच. ये दिए हैं. इसका आंसर है ए का 2 से, बी का 1 से और डी का 3 से. ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ फोल्ड इन विच बोथ लिम्स आर ओवरटर्न्ड एंड डिप टूवर्ड्स ईच अदर आर कॉल्ड एंटीक्लाइनल फैन फोल्ड. आंसर है इसका. Next question. The fold form from the slippage or minute displacement along closely spaced fracture are known as. तो इसका आंसर है shear folding. आंसर बी, shear folding. Next question. Helical fracture develop when a rock is subjected to. Answer D, torsion. Next question. Shear fractures are developed under. Answer D, all of the above. Compression, couples and tension. Next question. Tension fracture. Answer B, perpendicular the greatest axis of the strain ellipsoid. ये इसका आंसर है. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 35. The joint whose strikes are parallel to the dip of the bedding plane are called dip joints. इसका आंसर है सी, dip joints. Next question. Which of the following symbol of joint is used by US Geological Survey for vertical joints? Answer B. Question. Choose the correct match of the following fault terminology. A, head, पहला दिया है रिलेटिवली डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ फॉर्मली एडजेसेंट पॉइंट ऑन अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द फॉल्ट। सेकंड दिया है थ्रू, सेकंड क्या है, तो इसका आंसर है ए का थर्ड है, बी का 4 है, सी का 2 है, डी का 1 है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 38 नंबर। द polished straightened and grooved surface resulted from friction along the fault plane are called, इस आंसर सी है इसका, स्लाइकेंड स्लाइड्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if the dip of a fault plane is 55 degree then the head will be 90 degree minus 55 degree, आंसर ए। Next question, which of the following fault rock is created by frictional melting, not by grinding or fracturing? Answer pseudotachelites, answer C। Next question 41, match the following fault rocks with the size of crystal glass। तो इसका आंसर है बी, ब्रीसिया का 1 mm टू 0.5 mm, बी का 4 है, गॉज का है << 0.1 मिलीमीटर, सी कैटलिस्ट का है 0.1 mm टू 10 mm, फिर सीडोटैचिलाइट्स डी का है सेकेंड <<1 माइक्रोमीटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ टेक्टोनिक आउटलायर? क्लिपी, आंसर बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इंक्रीज ऑफ कन्फाइनिंग प्रेशर डैश ऑफ द रॉक अंडर कंप्रेशन, तो इसका आंसर है इंक्रीज द स्ट्रेंथ एंड डक्टिलिटी, आंसर ई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, elevated hydrostatic for fluid pressure condition, answer A, decreases the effect of confining pressure on strength and ductility of the rocks। Next question 45, effective stress in a rock under deformation is equal to, answer confining pressure minus for fluid pressure, answer C। Next question, if the effective stress is high, a given rock will be relatively, answer D, strong and ductile। Next question 47, a rock behaves as an elastic solid, answer A, below its yield strength। Next question, arrange the following rock according to their strength, measure at room temperature and low confining pressure। तो इसका आंसर है क्वार्टजाइट, ग्रेनाइट, बेसाल्ट, शिस्ट, मार्बल, आंसर सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द रेजिस्टेंस दैट इलास्टिक सॉलिड ऑफर टू चेंज इन देयर वॉल्यूम इज नोन एज bulk modulus, answer B। Next question, Poisson ratio describe the ratio of lateral strain to longitudinal strain, answer A। Next question 51, mural joints are generally developed in granites, answer B।